Hello, in this video I'm going to explain how to use the function keys on LENOVO Yoga Book 9. So my physical keyboard is discharged, so I'm going to use the virtual keyboard, which by the way you can enable with 8 fingers. It will work exactly the same because these keys are exactly copied. And let's begin by the fact that you can see that these keys have like 2 things written on each of them. There's like an icon that does some functions, and underneath it you'll see F1 all the way to F12 and also insert. And by default the icons are used. The icons are just some like functions, some actions that you can click on to, for example, mute the speaker, unmute it, turn the volume down, turn the volume up, mute the microphone or unmute it, turn the brightness up or down or up, open the project settings of the screen, open the settings application, lock the screen. Now it's locked and I need to unlock it. Then you can disable or enable the touchpad. You can enable the news on the top. I don't really get why, but let's say it's fine. Then you can click on that to enable something, I guess. Yeah, I haven't figured out what it does. Then this is for something, I guess. Lenovo Smart Key. You can use it to get quick access to Lenovo applications and service. So you can set it up. Once you click on it, there will be a pop-up window. And this is for screenshotting. So that's how you take a screenshot. And that's everything basically with the function keys. But there's also these F something keys, and these are mostly legacy. In some apps they have some functions, although you need to know that it depends on the app, so I can't really explain which of the keys does what because I just don't know. It depends on the app. But I'm gonna show you an example. In the browsers, F1, which in order to access the F, you need to press on it combined with Fn. So while I press on Fn, I can click on F1, and that opens help in most of the apps. Then in browsers, Fn plus F11 will open full screen. Fn plus F12 will open DevTools. So you can just like see the code. I think the code will be here, yes. And yeah, if you know about this, then you can inspect it here. And the rest of them is sort of different each time. Then also there is the insert key, which lets you switch into insert mode. And under escape there is the Fn lock, so if I click on Fn and escape at the same time, it enables Fn lock. You can see that has switched, so now the primary function of these keys is F1 all the way up to insert. And if I want to access these actions with the icons, I need to press on them combined with Fn key. I'm gonna disable the Fn lock because I think that I only use the actions, not the functions. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.